day 2 of the Catalyst adventure. That's right, we didn't get them for just one day, we got them for 2. Ben and Sean were invited, but they didn't want anything to do with them. So here we are, day 2 on the Catalyst. Whitey and Whitey stay there. I get to hop in here. Last day on the Catalyst, we've been juggling trucks around quite a bit because I have to blast back to Alberta tonight. So this was like a little power trip for me. I was here for like 2 nights, but I had to get out on this thing. So as soon as the ride's done today, I'm blasting back to Alberta so I can put this stuff together for you guys. The steering is way tighter on these things compared to the old Cats. Like this is, as somebody who's come from nothing but Cats mostly, this is way nicer. Okay. Electric start next time for sure. This is the machine that's been around all the shows, right?
Correct. So
if anybody's seen this machine at any basically sled show in Canada, I guess.
Yeah.
Or if you've seen one like this, it's this one.
Well, the way that most people can tell is if you look at the front right here corner. Yeah. One of the first guys to ride it, from what I remember, messed that up, and it's been like the signature of that machine since that time. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna give mine a torque up 2 here. Okay, top of the mountain. Into the goat trail. We're here again.
This would be my new thing. 13K, and you don't have to pay.
Sledding's always been expensive, but holy crap. Custom ski job from the other day here is holding together. I'm good to go. I'm done with this battery. She's dead. Oh, get back up there. Sweet. Cool, look at all this. And back to the cabin.
All right.
Hi. Drone is working freaking amazing today. Like, super awesome. So awesome. This thing is working phenomenal today. Man, I'm a guy who never dreamed of having a 146, but after this ride, I don't know. It's a lot of fun. But I think 153, 154, 155, whatever, I think that's a nice right in the middle track. I think that's what I'm gonna do next time too. Hey Richard, you see these little tracks over here? They're right in front of me here. I've walked past them a million times. They're little... This look like cat tracks. Oh, there are guys up here. This is the first time we ran into anybody. I've already seen comments and messages because I've posted a few pictures while I've been out here. And everybody wants to know what Matt thinks of the Catalyst. Well, after today's ride, I will be qualified to answer that question. I'll actually do a whole video of it. I'll do a complete review, tell you what I like, tell you what I don't like. Overall, I think I'm getting one next. Matt is on the demo unit. This is so nice out here today. We need the shades on. So we're going to go and ride the Catalyst a little bit longer. I know lots of these videos that we're doing here are very GoPro dependent, but we're trying to get as many hours as we can on these things. So we're just riding them. So for those of you who are never shutting up about the BRAP, we got BRAP. This is the chute. I want to look. Yeah, let's safety walk this one.
So we go all the way down to the end here, and then there's a little thick tree line. Now we can side hill to the right, which I'll check out.
Yeah.
Or we can go straight through.
Because then we'll just hop onto that road down.
Yeah.
There.
So you end up in all that open area. You can see the road right down there, and then we just out.
Let's go down.
Yeah. So Matt is attempting to launch stupid again, which it's been working.
Working good.
And then we're gonna kind of go down over here where we just did a little safety walk, and we're hoping that the drone is gonna follow us over the little hump there and all the way down that chute to the bottom.
We're looking for satellites.
Okay.
getting pretty close to the point of taking back a lot of the bad things I said about this.
As you learn the device.
Yeah. And like, I've tried learning it at home, but like, I need to come out here and fucking play with it. Because I don't have these fucking types of obstacles.
This is fucking cool.
Look at this.
This is awesome.
Huh.
See, this is why I like coming to a place like this with just 2 guys, maybe 4 guys.
Yeah.
Because then you get to experience this without a bunch of trapped up, messed up shit.
I swear, on the mountain, 4 guys is the most you could have.
Yeah.
Like, it definitely seems that way to me.
So with heavy snow cover, Matt, all those rocks become just a fucking playground.
I bet.
You can jump off them, wheelie off them, launch off them. Like, it's so much fun.
So where's the snow? I might give it a... I'm gonna give it a burp. Not hitting button hard enough. There's not enough snow to be in here.
I probably don't need to mention this, but literally every bump in here is a stump or a rock.
I was just commenting. I was like, I'm afraid in here.
Yeah.
Beautiful way to end the day. Sunshine, can see all the mountains. And we got a couple catalysts right here. Enjoying the view with us, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah! Beauty!
All right.
Didn't wreck it not once. All right, that pretty much wraps up our times here with the Catalyst. I'd like to thank Richard from APS for setting up this ride for everybody, and Arctic Cat Corporate and Shoe Swap Extreme for the sled that Richard's on.
Yeah, Rory did a good job. Thanks, Rory.
Yeah, am I forgetting anybody? CKX,
Everybody.
365. There's nothing 365 out here, but and BMP, the whole team. All right, let's go home.
Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
What an adventure.
All right.
Hell yeah. That was so much fun. You make sure you thank those guys at Cat and the dealer and everything for me.
Oh yeah, Rory and the boys. Shoe Swap Extreme right here.
Right here.
Hooking us up.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it was really good.
Thanks to them. And this one's the Arctic Cat demo.
Kurt from Arctic Cat. So yeah, he put this all together for us, and Rory's helped support it, so it's been really awesome.
Hell yeah. Thanks to those guys. This was an awesome trip.
We had a ton of fun.
Oh, they got the old cats here. I'm so excited. And I got old Whitey down the hill. You guys got to see Whitey. Oh, no way. This guy's got a Whitey on too. You guys always telling me to buy a new sled. I'm not the only one. I should buy a new sled though. Oh, that guy down there's got a mighty Whitey too. There's 3 of them. You could probably call her quits there or wherever. Yeah, sure. All right, that is it for us. We're gonna do the night drive back to Alberta here because I got a lot of other stuff to do, so I can't waste a day driving. But thanks everybody for joining this. I know you like seeing Mighty Whitey and the old white M8 out, but you know, we can't bring 2014 out all the time. It's kind of special. All right, dude.
Yeah, another trip in the works.
Thank you for bringing me. That was awesome.
It was a good time.
Yeah,
that's for sure.
We will meet up again soon.
We make a safe mile home.
You betcha.
Okay, man, good to see you.
Thanks, buddy.
Take care.